Welcome to Dawn and Lona's Adventures. I'm Lona and you are watching Lona's Craft Corner. I make jewelries, I do crafts. I also do crafts and jewelry with my two oldest grandchildren. Skylar is the oldest, and when he comes over to visit, we do crafts and we do jewelry. He does some for his mom and his classmates, and also his teacher, which I think is pretty nice. And when my oldest granddaughter comes over, she also does crafts with her Nana, and she does jewelry also, and she makes it for her mom, her dad, her papa, and sometimes me, her Nana. When they're not here, I do my own jewelry. I find all these things going for walks, when we go camping with our grandchildren and our kids, and also when I go panning with my husband. I find a lot of things too, and it's amazing what you can find. So here are the stuff that I have found, and I turned some of it into jewelry. We found rocks, and right here I found some garnets while panning with my husband. And here's are the things I made. 2 bracelets, and I got a lot more. A necklace, a couple of earrings, a necklace with a butterfly wing I found when we were camping, and some birthstones, blue. So there we go. So those are the things I have done. So I'd like to thank you for watching, and my next video I will show you how to make a necklace. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.